Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are, anywhere you're watching from. Oh, van man, wait your turn. Hey, these Jamaican driver, there's something else. They just push out, you know, without you give him the go ahead and say go, you know. They just push out like some bullies in these drivers going on the road. I'm telling you, you have to stand firm sometime. Because them will run you off the road, but them cannot run me off the road. You know, run themselves. But trust me, Jamaican drivers, there's some bully. Most of them. Not every one of them. Not you. Not you. Not you and you and you. No, not you. Not you. Yes, guys, you know, it's a wonderful, blessed morning. It is. You know, and today we're on the road. So guys, so today we have some donation to give out for the members them. You know, some selected names that we got from Iron Mike, not Mike Tyson, but something like Tyson, you know. But I guess he's got the iron teeth, not the iron fist, you know. But he's got the iron teeth, you know, because the man, that's when them younger, them anything man, them crush things like hyena, you know. So he's the Iron Mike teeth, you know. Like we have Iron Mike with the fist, he's got the Iron Mike with the teeth, you know. So don't want to get in those fights with them, man. They got them under biting tears through your skin like instantly, you know. But yeah, big up yourself, Iron Mike, and everything though in the US, you know. So I'm sending blessings for the team and also for Arius as well to Baja. We got some selected names, you know, that it's been around helping out, especially out by Cranberry, and I'm really sending out his blessings to help out because in like what everyone is trying to do, see me, you know, with the effort that they're putting out. So he's very considerate to reach out and bless selected names and that we have here, you know. Thank you so much, man. Like Iron Mike, you know, I say it's a huge contribution, you know. It only can encourage us to continue on this journey, you know. It's nothing but love and love alone. What's going on down here? We have traffic. Jamaica known for traffic anyway. So oh, it's not even traffic, it's probably the light. Yes guys, let me say it's a wonderful sunny day, you know. It's bright, nice, you know. We love the sun, we love seeing the place bright, you know. Sometimes it's not nice being in it, but it's lovely when the sun is out, you know. Trust me, can't complain about the rain that we've been getting the other day, but we have the sun now, so we have to give thanks for the sun, you know. Anything about, boy, I can tell you, I can predict this summer it's gonna be hot. It's gonna hotter than the hotter meter, you know. Trust me, this year is gonna be hotter than the hotter meter, because I said it as well too, you know. Because trust me, you know, each year the sun's been kicking right up, like literally kicking right up, you know. Global warming, climate change, trust me, it is real, because it's showing us each and every year. So in Jamaica and the world is getting hotter and hotter and hotter. So things is changing, you know. You know, imagine Jamaica used to get a lot of rain from St. Thomas, you know. That's where most of the rain used to come from. But that's changed, you know. That's totally changed. Rain come from anywhere right now. Over the hills, from across them side, left side, north, south, east and west. Right now rain are come from anywhere. That's where it coming from. Yeah, but trust me, like what them say right now, the water wet, you know. The water is wet, so I'm heading into Trenchtown right now. But you know, my thing, I have to quickly pass through iShowSpeed, get something munch up, and then head there quick and fast. Oh, the road seems smoky today. Behind me is dark, you know, like the rain's gonna be that side. Yeah man, it's a beautiful day here in Jamaica. As you can see, lovely sunny day here, driving on Marcus Garvey Drive. You know, gonna turn up the terrace. We're gonna go up Tivoli Terrace. Yeah. Well, guys. So I'm just there. Yeah. Imagine I'm here having my iShowSpeed fry. And also having my smoothie. And when you look, iShowSpeed turn up outside. Imagine him turn up exactly outside iShowSpeed. Yo, I'm sorry, some of them are dying to come try iShowSpeed food. That video now, man. Yeah. One simple. If come up and go in there, so. If walk in and go in there, so, you know. Yeah. And then come out and go on the truck. But imagine that man from my side, we see around the truck too, you know.
So what? A film truck?
No, man. The working truck, man. Bravo. iShowSpeed is going awesome. Pick up himself, you know anything though, because we like to see our next brother. I do the right thing. Trust me. I'm going to edit the French store now.
When I was here, I was just transferring only for tapes.
Oh,
yeah.
I'm here with Johnny Depp himself.
Back.
He's back.
Big up Kino and the Dream Team.
Yes, Johnny is a producer. You know, everything goes over there. What studio is this?
Lego Beast.
Lego Beast.
Yeah, Lego Studio.
Lego.
On Orange Street.
Yeah, I never knew a studio was right here.
Yeah. That's why I wanted to show you last time.
Oh, look at this classic, guys. See that? Classic. So who used to record in this studio?
Dennis Brown, Freddie McGregor, Gregory Isaac.
Yeah?
Enough people.
Wow. See
yeah.
See the booth over here there.
Julian Marley first recorded here.
Julian Marley?
Yeah, here's Lego and Julian was at you.
Oh.
Bounty and them used to come here too.
Oh.
Shaggy did his first song here and Sean Paul.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is the control room. Here's all these outboard gear, equalizers and like that. And that's the old tape machine. Way back.
You can see it. You can see that.
Record here.
This was the one from way back, right before computer.
Yeah.
You have the tape running through.
And then the tracks, then drum, bass, everything.
Classic this, you know, man. Look at these guys. Imagine if you could have go back to these days. But you can't go back. You already gone forward. You know, look on this cassette. Guys, there's a little cassette in here. You imagine that, see that? Old school. You know, cassette. This thing definitely is from them days, man. And this should have been here for
about early to mid 80s.
Mid 80s?
90s or something. Late 80s, early 90s. This is the voicing booth in here.
The voicing booth in here. Oh, big man.
Yeah, I sent this drum kit from San Diego here.
Oh, you sent this from San Diego?
Yeah, brand new. And here's all the tapes.
So this is it, guys. This is the original tapes.
The masters.
Yeah. See the original masters.
So we do baking here too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we bake tape.
Still bake same way?
Yeah, still bake. Yeah.
Wow, imagine that, guys.
Yeah, so Dennis Brown used to voice in here.
Yeah. Classic.
And all this is wood from Jamaica, lumber. From the country. Different trees then.
And this is the mic.
Yeah, different. Yeah, that's the mic.
Oh. In here is big still, you know?
Yeah.
Live band recording as well too. Alright, that is it. Alright guys, so you know the thing goes so.
Which time we go?
Yeah. Imagine I'm at iShowSpeed having myself, you know, a regular munchies. Having myself some munchies at iShowSpeed or a smoothie. And when I look at you the nice outside, you know, when I look iShowSpeed.
One of the brethren said it was in Jamaica already. And I said,
yeah.
So that's why me dad just outside wait for him.
But imagine that.
And once I see the traffic police coming,
yeah.
I say right to him.
I hear the noise, guys. I'm look outside. I'm look pure black arm. And them call them vehicle again. Escalade.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. Outside I'm look I speed. Me see I walk like a real Jamaican. I bounce going to the yard. They playing the music. You know. Well, imagine people say Akeynote Speed is coming to Jamaica, you should link up with him. You know, but look, him come right at my footstep without me have to try the effort, you know. So that's how it goes, guys. It's a blessing same way. You know, at least it's just a bit of speed on the camera. So you know the thing goes already. But listen, there's so much people trying to reach this man. Because it means a busy man, so it's not an easy thing to get done, you know. So that's why you let it flow. And you saw it flow. It flow right to me, just like that. That's how the universe let things flow. You have to make it flow itself, you know. So, and it's not a man who literally stay one place for too long. He keeps moving. So now he moves down to, I don't know where I'm going. Guys, we're with some big artists as well. As you can see, Valiant was on the bike, as well to Sean Paul, as well to Asai, Sean Paul as well. So there's a lot of big names here. So there's a lot of people really, as you can see. It's hectic. It's hectic, you know. You know, him should have come and tried the iShowSpeed food. He would have definitely like that for sure. But yeah, we're going to head in Trenchtown to get things done, guys. So just pick up yourself. Anything going on, love the subscribers. Hope you hit that like button. Anything, but blessed love. Johnny is here.
Church! Johnny go. One love, you know. See that? One Johnny, you know, general there, Johnny.
Yeah.
The link missed me, you know.
Yeah.
You don't have him number, but it's there now.
Yeah.
Mr. Johnny Cage. Respect my brother Johnny, man. You see him, Johnny?
Oh, well, welcome.
There, man, you see it?
Barger in the building.
Yeah. Real Johnny Cage is here.
I want to tell some of that iShowSpeed.
Yeah.
And here, one bag of nice. Let me look at when me and iShowSpeed come pull up outside.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right across of my record side.
I'm going to see my scuba dive over Port Royal.
Yeah.
Find one gun.
Yeah.
You see it, man? Wait a minute, man. See it, man. Wait a minute, on YouTube.
Yeah.
You call police and give them.
Yeah.
I want them to find them and give police.
Pirate gun.
One pop.
So them there and the man pull up. Me the nice. I'm look outside. I even see how I go over there. What they call over there, so? One place them build up for music and everything across from iShowSpeed. In front iShowSpeed.
Oh, in front of
oh. Yeah. Go them see him. And the man jump on that truck. Guess how see around the truck? Asylum.
Yeah.
Like a beer fruits in the back of the truck. I even see him jumping. Yeah. Like Georgia.
Give them way.
Eh?
Give them way.
No, I look like I sell myself.
Sell a hustle.
I'm grab a little piece of him on the camera, man.
Okay.
Yeah. Man, go on good, man. I even see an iShowSpeed outside iShowSpeed. So I can even tell us, I even see.
Yeah, man. Oh.
Well, run come my bestie. My bestie. My bestie. Guys, see my bestie here. This is my, just a talk boy, you know. Guys, this is my bestie, my best friend. Tell them. She's my best friend, guys. This is my best friend. Tell them. Okay, my best friend. She told us that one day we're gonna what? Rich. She said one day me and her is gonna rich. Come bring it to your mommy. Just a while I talk about her, you know. Come my bestie, come. How is school?
Good.
Good, mine is in. Mine is in cut you. Go on. Beefy. Guess who I found? Here's my bestie. She gonna live long. As we reach out them here, Kina. My bestie is yeah.
Wow, nice.
Nice.
She got caught. She's still washing me. Jesus.
Bye-bye, bestie. Bye-bye, bestie. Tell me if your mama do anything, yeah?
Yeah.
Bye-bye. We're going to reach one day. Guys, imagine she's walking with her mom here one day. Just walking with her mom. And she just stop and say, Kino, me and you is going to reach one day. Just like that, you know. And her mom is like, what? You don't even say me and you is going to reach? You say, yeah, Kino is going to reach one day. Like, oh no. Raja. Like, oh no. Yeah. Alright, well, guys. So, you know the thing goes, so we're going to start out this donation. You know, I'm going to say that we got from Iron Mike. He's got the iron teeth. You know, the man that have the iron teeth. Big up yourself, Iron Mike. Just all the way from Queens, New York. You know the thing go. One Mike. You know, so big up yourself, Iron Mike. So, here guys, so we have some selected names that we said that we donated to. You know, we're going to give some donation to as well, as they can see they're here, you know, and he's a man who regularly watch the program, so him reach out to him sees fit, you know, we want to give a contribution because of the help they've been putting out, you know, so that is the plan for today. So today we have a list, we have a long list with name as well too, you know, because Iron Mike sent a long list of names, right? So I'm going to tell you the names. Hold on. So we have a lot of names. So we have Baja, we have Orius. So we have Baja, we have Orius, we have Prefect, we have Boom, we have Rasta Jackson, we have 30 Grand, we have Rochef, we have Shayara, which is Shy inside. We have Esther, we have Colors as well too. We have Damar, we have Miller, which is that's the father. You know that with the little boy we got the heart problem. And you also have Father for the Year, you have Miss Gracie, you have Jenna, and you have also Cranberry. Family name is as well, and the Dream Team kids them should get $500 each. You know. So that is it from Iron Mike, you know, from New York. So here we have some of them faces them already. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So yeah. So it's 10 of the members their name. Alright then. 30 grand, stand up then. Let's stand, go over there. Yeah, come on now, Seven. I'm trying to catch everybody. So, go up on the side right now. Let's start. Alright guys, let me say we have to give thanks to Iron Mike. You know, Iron Mike reached out to the team and him say he want to give a contribution to each and one of the members them that him's been putting in the work as well too. You know, so we give thanks. So guys, so the donation is coming in from Iron Mike from Queens, New York. You know, I want to talk about Iron Mike Tyson, you know. He might have the iron fist, but him say he might have the iron teeth, that's why them give me name. You know, them man, that's when them bite anything, man. Steer, you know, eye in a teeth, them man, they have, you know, man, they crush and grind. So you hear them say, ladies before gentlemen, I'm going to always put gel on the male side now. Them all do that in a gel. Why them always put you over there? Yeah, them.
Sometimes I remember say shot woman, you know.
You remember though? One of them day was saying a crack with a wig gel and show them what time it is.
That will never happen.
No?
We're not live to see that happen. Never happen. Tell them now.
It's a gel that not happen?
Never happen.
Guys, we're saying no one is a gel in our makeover one day. You see her in a nice dress with a wig.
I want to air.
But listen about the day when time when you see Jella in our wig, trust me, with a little makeup on. Hey, whole place. Hey, Baja, that day that when time she have a little wig on her. Jella, what you say? I could organize it now.
Yeah, man.
Eh? Yeah. I think my birthday. Where's the Jella? We could organize the Jella. We could organize the me walk the whole room and we on the team just walk the whole room. Them I wonder who you are walk with. You know?
Get a bottle.
Yes, and them say so whoop. Whoop.
You're a flip.
Yeah. You're a flick like ninja. Alright then, so we're gonna start off with the first female, which is Jenna. You know. So Jenna, we have $10,000 here for you from Iron Mike himself. You know, from Queens, New York. Iron Mike.
Iron Mike,
Yeah.
thank you very much. May the good Lord bless you and keep you safe. May your food basket never empty. Thank you again, Iron Mike. Very much.
So count to say Iron Teeth Mike.
Iron Mike. 1,
We have Mike
2,
teeth, you know.
3, 4, 5. Thanks again.
Yes.
Very
It's
much.
10,000. Iron Teeth Mike Tyson that, yeah. And we have Shayara. We have Shara himself. Shara, so we have 15,000 here. 15,000 from Iron Mike. From
Thank
Queen.
you, Iron Mike. And may the good Lord bless you and keep you always.
Yeah, so it's 15,000 from Iron Mike.
Thank you.
Okay. And we have Esther as well too. 15,000 from Iron Mike from Queens, New York.
Thank you, Iron Mike. I really appreciate it. And may the good Lord bless and keep you and keep your food basket full always.
Alright.
The county?
Yeah. Alright, so we'll give thanks to Iron Man. So that is the female names that's on the list that he sent. So we here with the gentleman them, the man them themselves, the wow with the baby in the back.
Yeah, man.
You know,
Real, man. You see it.
still a store up that.
Yeah, man. Well, stores, you know, about release, you know.
About, you know. Well, we're still been waiting. Well, the team been waiting, you know.
When
Yeah, man.
We're anticipate waiting.
We're not wait too long, man, sir.
How long am I gonna wait for?
G, ma come through, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so come through.
5 years.
Ma come
5 years ago. No, man, we are
5 years gone
longer than 5, man.
Listen me. 2 years now, talk man, so.
Them say, wash about carry the baby in the belly and then back.
Man, I belly this man. I belly this man. I don't think I belly this man. This alright, man.
Yeah.
Ready, man. So the belly.
One day, we have prefect here, you know. Keep the classroom organized as usual. You know, you think we have to have a principal man on the thing.
Yes, man.
You know.
Bless up yourself.
Yeah.
Extended family. Iron Mike. You don't know. Nothing love and respect, you know.
Yeah.
Man. Bless up.
And we have Orius, not say much, but to make the light work for it, you know, once them turn the light switch on, it stay on. You know, electrician himself.
One love, give thanks and praise, and the God and protect always.
Yeah. And we have Badger, the motivational speaker,
Love
Bob
is
the
in the
builder.
house, man. Love and thanks, man. Iron Mike, trust me, full of might.
Yeah,
I'm see it at work.
that is
We are
it.
do the work and the same. Big up yourself.
Yeah, we say, oh, boom, down the might. You know,
one love Iron
and we
Mike.
said, no atomic bomb no explode like that one that time. Oh, that them say leggings and 30 grand. The man put on one pants for the Badger, yo. Not even iShowSpeed have so much hype.
You see me and say,
Listen.
yeah, man, appreciation every time I get my father, you see me.
Yeah.
It's a big deal, they don't even know what you do today in the day, you see me.
Yeah.
It's a great feeling, man. Love.
Yeah, I'm so Badger, the man was at the whole place what they, you know.
Yeah, man. Give him a look up in here, look what they
The man have the man pants tighter than the top, you know, man.
top, yeah. Say, yeah, man, I want, we have one tamara, one hat.
Well, I don't even know, sir. I tell the Badger, the man step out of the car.
Yeah,
Problem.
Yeah, man. I tell me, say, you want to see all the one Jesus have video the pants for you? You want to see the man me I say, yeah, man. Me never, you know, so me never see that. I will watch the video now, me I see it. Me I say, yeah, man.
Badger, I don't know how the man fit tonight, but him say work. About time you chiffon butter.
Yeah, man, just slide the night, man. You see it?
Yeah. And we have one Rasta Jackson, the waistline Jackson.
Yeah, family, big
You know?
up every time. One love Iron Mike. Huh?
Yeah.
One love, big up every time.
Yes, sir.
Rastafari. Love every time.
We and waistline Jackson, you know. Them man them saying up on the Ilangoli ride, you know. And viral around the sun.
See the boss.
Yeah.
See the boss.
Alright then, so here what, so we have, alright, we have Prefect from Iron Mike, you know, from the Queens, New York. We have 25,000. The prefect from Iron Mike, 25,000.
Iron Mike. Enough respect, you know. Whole heap of love. Really appreciate it. Thanks, you know. Yeah, man. Bless up.
Yeah.
Straight up, man.
Yeah, man.
25.
Respect and thanks again.
Alright,
Bless up.
alright, so we give thanks. Iron Mike, and we have Orius as well too. Electrician. The man said, boy, I'm not like how the man put in some work up a cranberry them, you know. So he said sometime in life, you know, it's what you put out, you always get back, you know. So people consider and know, say, we give you the time. So you reach out because of that, you know. So we have 30,000 here for you from Iron Mike himself.
Bless the Lord. Give thanks and praise. The basket never be empty. And keep doing what you're doing and God bless and guide.
Yeah. So
One
count
love,
it,
brother.
so it's 30.
Bless the Lord, brother. Give thanks again.
Alright, Iron Mike, and we have next in hand, we have Boom himself, Dynamite. Yes, boom up the place now. We have 20,000 here for you from Iron Mike. One Dynamite.
Iron Mike, blessed and one love and thanks. Blessed again and one love and thanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
10, 20, that.
Oh yeah, 20. Blessed and one love and
Get nervous already.
The man count the opposite way, you know, man. Yeah, Rasta Jackson. And we have Waistline Jackson as well too. $20,000 from Iron Mike.
Yes, Iron Mike. Give thanks and praise every time. That's the fire guide and protect every time. And big up all the extended family there. Akeynote, big up yourself every time. More love. We love you every time. Enough love. Iron Mike. I respect.
Yeah, so count it, so it's 20.
Yeah. 6. Yeah.
Go like my ghost.
Yeah. Enough respect family. Every time.
Alright then. And we have this for buy. Whoa! For baby feeding. You know, Pampers, Nappy, Shimmies. I said them Shimmies?
Yeah, man, Shinies and, you know.
Esther name, Esther, you. I say one produce for you.
Esther, a program thing for me, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Esther go buy the
penny something, you know.
and the buggy.
Alright, yeah, man.
So we have 20,000 for you from
man.
Iron Mike.
Iron Mike.
Yeah.
Iron Mike. But I tell you, holy for oats porridge, you know.
Yeah.
Iron Mike, blessed love, you know, thank you very much, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, Iron Chacha. Yeah, man, Esther.
Esther again.
Esther go take care of some things for me, you know. Yeah, man. She go deal, you see me I said? Yeah, man. Right now, she a lie, you see me I said?
Yeah.
So, now I get 10 grand, say Esther bring some baby stuff for me, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, one thing I feel kind of nah, expire, you know.
Yeah.
Blessed love in the Iron Mike, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you see me I say? Iron Mike, holy for blessed enough love. Holy for love, you know. Respect and honor, yeah. Iron Mike. Yeah, man.
Alright, so we have Pinedo. We have Pinedo, you know. One Pinedo. 30 grand, aka Pinedo. You know the thing. 20,000 from Iron Mike.
Yeah, man, Iron Mike, man. Much love and appreciation again, man. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Enough respect, man, Iron Mike. You see me I say? Big up yourself.
So count it, Pinedo.
Yeah, man, I count it. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How are you going? Nervous.
16, 18, 20. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. 20 genius, man. Enough respect again, Iron Mike, man.
Yeah.
See me I say? Yeah, man. Love and respect.
Alright, then
One genius. Yeah, man. All of the extended family. Yeah, man. Sunrise family. Can't let you know. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Big up. Every time.
I have a last but not least motivational speaker, Baja Bob the Builder. We have 35,000 from Iron Mike.
Yeah. Iron Mike, love and thanks and appreciation, you know. You know, bless up yourself same way. When the goings get rough, you still hold the line.
still do it. You stand up, you never fade out.
Yeah.
And most of you have to move on them things. They still hold the line save and make it work. Up to this time, we appreciate you, all donors, extended family. I and Mike, all of the fellow members them. We're still around and we're still there. Still together. The greatest thing that.
Yes, sir.
So we can get better.
Yes, sir.
Once you put in the work, it comes true. You understand? Success are the best.
Yeah. We'll give Iron Mike, we'll thank Iron Mike a round of applause for the blessing. Iron Mike, big up yourself.
Iron Mike. Iron Mike, man, John. Iron Mike Tyson, you know. Iron Mike, you know.
Yeah.
Iron Mike. One of them grill left. Send one of them grill left for me, you know, Iron Mike. Me one of them grill left.
You're coming soon.
Extended family.
Makeover.
Makeover of Jella.
So wanna go makeover?
Yeah, I wanna program that.
I wanna go a remake.
Yeah, man, remake.
I'm gonna make. Oh yeah, we take a ribs out of him when I make one. 27.
Yeah, I was starting from 26.
Boy, I said from 2017 I said that, you know.
People, look for that one that coming soon.
Yeah, man.
Great Jella.
Blessed love.
Surprise, you know.
Yeah. Alright then, so we give thanks, Iron Man, big up yourself, you know, everything. Much love, I would thank you and appreciate so much. Yeah man, so we give thanks. Alright then, blessed love. Dream team!
One team!
Dream team!
One team!
One team!
Same team!
I know it's the only real team, you know, nothing fake about it. Nothing. Daniela, where's your team? Wait, let me have something for your team as well, let me give you your one. Here, Daniela. So we have one of the Dream Team kids here. We have $500 here for you. Yeah, okay.
This one's the one.
Yeah, I true one, not see me yet. Here, Daniela, so here's your 500 from Iron Mike.
Thank you, Iron Mike.
From Queens, New York.
From Queens, New York.
Stop look for your mommy and shy up. Your mother make you get nervous. You shy. We know you're not shy, you know. Right? Alright then guys. So we have the only moving kitchen. And where you say you have over there, they have a kitchen.
Yeah, the kitchen.
The mobile kitchen.
That's one thing that tell me for talk, you know.
Come show me I go on with the kitchen then. So guys, yeah, so guys, you see me in apron with them chef hat. Oh that! Liverpool! No, boy, yeah. Guys, so we have the mobile jerk chicken man over here. You know, the man anywhere in the world him go. Engine, the man engine where him have a plane, they take off like plane. See then the mobile thing missing now. Well mobile. Well mobile. Yeah. No jokes.
Just button press.
Aye.
One touch already.
One touch, button press. You got guy. Yeah, the engine are chocolate. Yeah.
We're going to do some flitters.
What? Well, Jamaica we said flitters.
Yeah.
But you tell them say fritters.
Yeah, you see? Yeah, man. Up and running.
So anywhere you go, you just pull up. Let me see some more of my Jamaican love the flitters thing, you know. This is one now.
Saltfish flitters.
Oh. Yeah. So what's this up here? Air fryer?
Yeah. The saltfish just keep it warm. Fry already. Not chicken I do that today. The flitters alone.
And we over here, so?
That's where the pot they fry now, you know?
Yeah. So everything is electric.
You see? Yeah, man.
So, I prefer to see a pot like this.
Yeah, man. You turn up, you see? Yeah.
Oh, so that's the gauge?
Yeah.
So it's like a hot plate?
It's like a stove.
Like a stove. So you kick up like a stove,
yeah,
see me?
That's the thing.
So what's the chef name?
I don't know, I5 and I don't know me I give a little jingle. What you want is what to get is what you never bargain for. Reaching up beside the little side the outside as we group up. What chopping, what popping, what going on the building. Are you ready to rumble? One key, you know. You understand? Anything else I must have feel, you know. Yeah, man, I put it up, man. Yeah, man, up and running, lava gone.
Yeah.
Live up, you know.
That's the man named I5.
Yeah, I5 jerk, you see? No joke.
Jerk. No jerk today.
No jerk today.
Come here, say you have kitchen and bathroom for the car.
Yeah, we have bathroom. Yeah, we're not joke, yes. washing on it, you done?
Yeah.
We're not play. Yeah.
Oh. So who create this? You?
You know, Shadow me still a brother named Roadstar.
Oh, Roadstar.
Him to make it, you know. One of them cards a big bill by him still. So just pay him for do what we want for do. You see me? I say, yeah, man. So I don't know quick, you know, continue the goodness and the greatness we have.
Of course,
yeah, man. So I don't know. Bodo do, you know.
Bodo do. So we have the jerk pan here, guys.
Yeah, man, the jerk
that's the
pan,
I5.
so yeah, you know.
It's empty now.
Yeah, empty, you know, and flitters.
One bucket of flitters.
Yeah, man, that's how we do it, man. And this I done by a little bit from this guy. And what things said?
Yeah.
One Bodo do.
Alright, you see the guys, I eat that, man. When you say I5 anywhere, man.
Anywhere you go, I5.
So we say anywhere you go pull up and sell.
Anywhere you go pull up and sell. See, it's a key. Switch on.
Yeah.
Switch on. One touch.
Just like that.
Ready
up the press.
Yeah, man. That's it. Look up on the side. The I5.
I5. Yeah. Alright, big up yourself, I5.
Yeah, man. Up and running, man.
Lava. One I5 in the building, guys. Anyway, thing go.
Gino, see that?
Colors.
You put on a shirt and come, man.
A beard like a beard?
Yeah, put on some too.
Oh, cause no one get a donation here.
Thank you. I'm going to them there with the shoes and do that. Yeah, man, beard and come.
I'm sure the suit I'm see that suit I'm going to put on. I'm not so clean now.
Alright then. Alright guys. Color say him not clean yet. You know, say I'm going to shower. So when him shower, him get film donation. He say he wants spick and span. You know. So I make him go hold him shower. Because when them man there always have to look spick and span, you know. Out to them. But you know,
yeah, bro.
Color green out.
I'm heading over airport, you know.
Jeez.
Yeah, long time I don't beat this outfit, you know.
What, election time?
Not really, bro. Remember our colors we name, you know, so
so representing for the earth.
Yeah, you get what I'm saying, bro.
Green.
I'm so happy to let the extended families them see it. Long time they don't see it, innit?
Yeah.
So what about the green and black?
What do you think, guys? What do you think about the green and black? It's shocking, right? Represent all the thing is missing now is a yellow. So you have the Jamaica color.
No,
the yellow.
Through the suit, green and black. I for those be the green and black.
Be the green and black, right?
When I wear yellow suit, I'm wearing yellow socks.
Oh.
You get what I'm saying?
So the bees not got two follow you today then?
I don't think so. Bees always follow me, you know.
Like it's only green. Like it's only green.
Yeah.
So it's heading to airport now?
But you know the people on TikTok, them always ask me say, if I'm not afraid of bees, I'm say, careful, say, I'm lucky say bees don't fly at night. But bees are used to me.
The bees them afraid of you right now, man, because you are using colours.
Instead of me afraid of bees, people are bees afraid of colours.
It's only somebody's going to put on colour now when they're used to the colour.
Yes.
Bees are got trouble then.
Definitely.
And the bees them know say you are original colours.
Of course.
You know? Only colours. So here I go on colours.
You got something for me?
Yeah, I got something here for you from Iron Mike. Not Tyson.
Iron Mike.
Teeth.
Oh, Iron Mike.
Yeah. This is $5,000 here for you from Iron Mike from Queens,
Iron Mike,
New York.
Big up. And thanks for this $5,000, okay? Yeah, and may your food basket never empty. Remember one colours, you know, never two though.
No.
You get what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Thank you so much, Iron Mike. Sometimes I got to the airport and I really raise the money. You see me, you know?
Yeah.
It's very slow, but you know.
So that's a start.
This is a start. You get what I'm saying?
A good start.
Yes, and you know, move the shop there a little things so I can even get them
something back.
Yeah, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So Iron Mike, thank you so much. Extended family, colors always love, you know. Always talk about owning, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I never stop talking about Key, you know. I never stop talking about extended family. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, so Iron Mike, big up again, and thanks to the $5 grand. Make the food basket never empty. One colours, I'm out. To airport.
Airport.
Yeah.
Rose or Rose? Always. Hello. Come to the room. Come on the room. Which part classic, where's classic? Come here 5 bunch of food.
Bill. Because I want to buy that girl who can, but me a girl for my
You're gonna thank Iron Mike, okay?
Iron Mike.
Yeah. So thank Iron Mike.
Thank you, Iron Mike.
From New York.
From New York.
Alright. Thank Iron Mike.
Thank you, Iron Mike from New York. No, me a girl now.
Bro, Granny! Oh, I like how you still represent Granny.
No, we can't get that. That coming like it's up on the newspaper.
Yeah, I like how you still represent. You know? Even though somebody tried to tear off some of it, but most of it is still here. The Elfair, say the Dream Team and the Sunrise Rehab Team. Amen, Granny. Still representing.
Can't go in there and go find go see one of them.
Yeah, from so long, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Him?
That's the brother, right?
Oh, cardboard.
Cardboard. Go step across 4th Street and run past the stop.
Melanai. Oh, Melanai.
Todos.
Oh, when a night. Oh, gone. Melanai. Blessed. Good day. Result is here?
Yeah.
Good sound. Good sound singing. So what they say when you went to them?
You know, I went to the doctor today and them look a thing there. And they look on the result and give him a look check-up and thing and say, if I go back a Sly Pen Road, go check the cardio doctor.
Yeah.
You see him? So, come in, Biggs. So we are going to go a Sly Pen Road, you see him? We check the cardio doctor and thing, and then now them are going to give it the final result from there. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is for you or for a doctor to get?
Yeah, you know, the doctor to get it, I envelope that.
Okay, but so and are you supposed to read this then? Okay.
These are the tests then go do what they.
But only them alone can understand that. So when you go to the doctor, you're gonna give that to them, right?
Yeah. To the thing them there. And there. You see. Alright. So them now go up there now, one of them there now get a local time. Yeah, I go up there now, go Sly Pen Road to the doctor now and check, and then now them get the final result of it now and get it sorted out now and thing.
Yeah, you're gonna take that to them, right? So they will tell you what I go on.
Yeah, they will tell me what I go on and tell me what next move from that again. See,
That's good. So how you feeling now, Kamal? Good? You feeling the pain lately? Okay, that's good. That's good. So here what the Miller, so they have a donation for you as well too. Here from one of our viewers, our extended family. That sent a donation for you differently. But you know, Auntie Pauline, she is here in Jamaica. You know, we meant to link up to her, so I haven't gotten a phone call from her. So maybe she get caught up in something else. You know, so this is from Iron Mike, you know, from Queens, New York. He sent $10,000 for you, you know, from Iron Mike to help out with the situation. So Iron Mike.
God bless you, Iron Mike. Give thanks, you know, you see, and God bless the and that feed we and thing, you see. Yeah, whole heap of love and respect, you know. Yeah, for my glad for local donation to help out a situation. As you see me, you know, I look some local tight spot right now. But I love to think kind of work out the best way for me and them local thing there and so for more and the best for him for see the future, yeah. You see? Yeah. Good youth and him, good for him schoolwork, them and him education and thing. We just want the best for him and just want, you see, I look at help him, I can help him out the right way and thing. Yeah, for him can come the best in life, you see, you have a good future.
Yeah. And that's the effort, you know?
Yeah.
That's the effort. When daddy trying to say, yo, the best is there for the future, for them kids, them, you know, which is good. You know, and just continue to try to see me, you know, so how to go towards the pump where you say you want.
Yeah. Still I work on it, man, and thing for, you see, me have the local thing, the lock up, see me and thing, and you see, yeah. I just go and try to build up some little more money, I see what I can do, but me I work on the pump, see me for, me need it, you see, yeah, and I know for, like for, me I go and do a local thing, you know, so that means, you know, on weekend when I'm there, I can get to a local car for watch, see me, you see, for me I gonna need the pump and the vacuum for get things rolling the right way, and give thanks, you know.
Yeah, man. So guys, let me say what him doing wash cars, you know, but him the shorter the pump or pump the water for wash the car, which is like a sprayer, right? The
spray gun, yeah.
He uses a sprayer to wash the car, you know,
vacuum.
So, and a vacuum, so he's trying to save up towards that, you know, and so we got a donation the other day towards it, you know, I will give thanks, you know, so which is, he's still way off. You know, but anything them get right now, I'm saying I'm gonna put it towards it same way, you know, so which is also if you're maintaining something as well to also have the problem with his heart, you know. So there's so much thing where you have to get done, but I don't know thing go one step at a time, you know, one cocoa full basket. So anytime you get something and put it down, you know. So I guess you're gonna put on something out of that towards it. You know, I could have at least 2,000, you say, you know, I'm gonna put this on it, same way.
Yeah man, I put something towards it, you see, for each time I get something, try and put on a local thing, you see, spend a local thing for them and then local thing, so I'm helpful situation, you see. Big. Auntie Pauline, give thanks to Auntie Pauline, love what you do for me, you know, you see. Many thanks, you know. You see, now Father God always bless you, know, Auntie Pauline. You see, Iron Mike, respect, you know. You give thanks to everything, you know. Jah always go bless you, you know. You see, yeah. Give thanks. Tell Auntie Pauline.
Auntie Pauline, thanks for your help, my father. You make this possible.
Yeah, and big up Iron Mike as well, too.
Thanks to Iron Mike for the donation.
Yeah, man.
Alright then, so Mila, you know it goes already. Me keep you posted on anything, right?
Yeah man, yeah.
Alright then, big up yourself. Come on, you up, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright then. Alright guys, so got a donation for Damari as well to our father for the year. You know, so we're gonna go by Damari right now for him to get this donation. You know, and then serve the father for the year as well too, and give him a donation also. You know, so we're here with some of the members them rolling show. Come over, head towards Damari now. Come over, head towards Damari. Head towards Damari now. Mr. Badger, we're up this week for you for Cranberry.
Yeah, man.
Mr. Badger said this week we're up there.
Ready, yeah.
Cranberry.
Like I was cranberry for you, so
yeah.
Love her,
Cranberry a sample, man.
Love her, man.
Can go.
Long them and fix it over there. Shit water this.
Shit water this, man. Shit water this now. Come on, man. You see the color it? Shit water this, okay guys. Jeez. Shit water. Parkland, not Parkland. Anyway, thing goes.
Yeah, no, man. Leave it, man. Yeah, man. Leave it, brother. Yeah, man.
Say nothing for.
Some whole lot of lanes and lock lanes. You might be a real man here. Then I come across, man, then make sure I lock up.
You know him better, Charlie Brown. Charlie Brown. Tom, yo, dance.
Cool fam.
Yo, Charlie Brown.
Boom.
Charlie Brown from that night. Yo! There, rich man. See, Lord,
Carlos.
Yeah, brother. I can't see man enough. Yeah, man. Just now.
Alright,
there, man. Blame. Yeah,
Yeah, flow through, man.
That's gonna be a show you, man.
That Mario, so we are going forward back.
Cool, man.
See, they're on the camera now, you know.
Yeah, cool, man.
You don't know Carlos, man.
You don't know, you know. You find them want a video, you know, kind of tell them how you dance, you know.
Where took slew name?
Pinedo.
Much Pinedo there on the block.
Pinedo. You want to swim up on the pants with it?
Next one over there, man.
No, the man are really Pinedo top.
Yeah, man. I told them to get out of the bar in a Gino.
Yeah.
Look, them tall seats up there, man.
Yeah. I give the Pinedo look, you know. Yeah. The man add next to him name. 30 grand slash Pinedo. Yeah, sell it? Alright, I'm going to link Danito and forward back here. No, I'm going to link Danito, man. You about? Alright, I'm going to link him and forward.
Yeah, man.
In the about? I will link him, man, because I know him up, so I can deal with it, yeah?
Yeah, alright. Yeah, man, love is the local brother.
Yeah, man, the thing up. Yeah, man, that is it, man. That is it, man, my father. Trade. Yeah, man.
One Damari. Never two. All is well. Sit down in your motorized chair.
Yeah, I watch someone on YouTube, you know?
Okay, cool. You say you have bling light. Bling up the place. Yeah. Comfortable, you know? Yeah, man. But you see the place get more and more comfortable, man. The look what you want, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Just want the AC, you know? That's the one you want to warm, you know?
Yeah. Slowly but surely, but remember, you have this, you know, so you're going to start put yourself outside.
But daytime the sun hot man, I'm even time to come on the beach. So you ride through sometimes. Yeah? That's a good.
This no? Too steep. Yeah. I must see what they.
When me come out, I'm go back and have somebody a break.
Yeah. Come see it what they badger me and say it's too steep.
Yes, no, I come to come up.
No, enough come now with this thing. But no, last one. So the whole of the belly will come up. Yeah. Whole of the belly will come up. See? So and last one come up.
Yeah.
So you get a smooth and dry flow.
Yeah.
But that's smooth.
Step on the earpiece. The right I do.
Yeah. Come see it what they made us say it one last out.
I just show that them about the bathroom thing, you know.
Oh.
That is try to get and try to build the bathroom and can flush it in from right there, sir. Lick up the cistern to right out there, sir.
Okay.
Add it and pan it, so we just can try from here, sir. In the bathroom and to link on the bathroom, the out and the
But this now go stop it still, because you're going to need that to roll out yourself same way.
Yeah.
You're not going to stop it. So it's still going to need that same way, you know? But it's good for you to have the bathroom as well too. Is it? But you're definitely going to need to come out properly.
Because some I'm say me come out there to call people for grace.
Yeah, because
you go back with you know to turn over for me, isn't it?
Like too steep.
Yeah. But I never me build that, you know, a my boy I build that in bike.
Okay.
When you riding in bike for
okay.
when you there in your room.
Oh, can I never for the wheelchair?
No.
Okay. So all you have to do now, Baja, all I'm gonna want like a 2 bag of cement can do that though. Yeah. And sand and gravel. I'm not gonna take nothing much to do that. Because you're gonna need that, so that means you don't have to call nobody. Half your other son. Yeah. So you don't have to call nobody for roll you out, you see me? Yeah, you can go out whenever you want and forward him back.
Yeah, if I let them get rid of most of them stuff out and need out.
Them people don't buy it, how much they know about this in the Baja? Just a wheelchair, you know.
Into the whole thing in my body, there's a wheelchair.
And you see the drum, you see the drum.
Bashi control. Bashi. Are you control Bashi?
So the Mara, you have
bike thing them and them thing there.
Yeah. So I have $5,000 a year for you from Iron Mike from the USA.
Iron Mike?
Yeah, Iron Mike.
USA?
Yeah, $5,000.
Iron Mike from USA.
Iron Mike, like Iron Mike Tyson.
Iron Mike from USA. Give thanks and much love and I'm very appreciative and I hope the food basket is empty. God bless you, you know?
Yeah, man. So we give thanks to Iron Mike, like yourself. Yeah, blessings. Slowly but surely, Damari, so things are making change, you know? And you can see you look more, feel more comfortable now and everything.
Yeah, nobody have bother me and everything. Like one time, people have a pass show and I put on a privacy and everything.
No,
so much more better off, bro. You see me sometimes I in the house, people allow me go to do people ask me, what me do? And them see them say, foreign me.
Fresh.
I say, no, man, come. Sometimes when I say Tina, sometimes I just stay lucky. But like the mix on me. So I appreciate when you a lot when you do for me. When you don't know what to do for me, the job when I have in my heart down here, bro. Sometimes tears come on me eye, man. You see me? Yeah, I appreciate you a lot. And much love, and love alone down here. You know? Continue to do the good work and go and big up on yourself.
Gratitude, when gratitude is a must, you know, your thing goes, you know. So, Damari, you know, we check him back again, yeah? Alright, yeah, big up yourself. Yo, this teeth go down. Eh? Oh, behind it. Yeah, so? Yeah.
Respect.
Yeah.
A blade man, 1, 2 now, you see? Yeah, man.
We're not father for the year now. 2nd Street.
So, we link up in the blade, eh? She said, that's all I want. I don't know what I want. You forget my boy. Shammy and the spear, make him clean it up and clean it for him now. Yeah, man. Shammy have the cat in my boy, make him clean it up.
I say, I want to put a bathroom out there, so.
Eh?
I want to put a bathroom right there, so. Yeah. And lick out there, so.
Yeah, so you don't know. Because you have a drain already.
So you want to build a bathroom, so.
Oh, got the man all help on it, huh?
Yeah, I look at my seat.
So yes, lick out here, so.
There's a block.
Yeah, man, car.
No, man, if you build a bathroom here, so, you don't want to come out, just lick out here, so. You just come through.
Come here,
Oh, okay.
So you go from so?
Oh, so you make a landing here, so just come, sir.
Okay.
You come in here, sir.
Oh. Yeah. Good future plan. Alright, then, my general.
Last week, baseline gaps.
Pinedo. Where you want to say aye? Come say aye. Say aye, you know? You shy?
So excellent.
I'm running me $500 for you too. Good thing I saw you. So you're getting $500 from Iron Mike.
Iron Mike.
Yes, I thank Iron Mike from
Thank you, Iron Mike.
From Queens, New York.
From Queens, New York.
Alright, so that's one more the Dream Team kids then. Yeah, classical cheers left.
Our boy,
Yeah, the boy long clear this now.
I believe my see me. Okay, so special at the back.
No, not special. I'm booming enough, man.
That man can't disappear, man.
Come here, I'm going to show it, you know.
Oh. Go on, boss. Roll up, Baja. Roll up. Yeah, man. Father for the year. Father for the year. Yo, man, creative, you know, what's your man antenna?
Bila antenna.
Hello, Shane. What's up, man? Bila antenna. Eh? Yeah. Baja, you ever see antenna like this, eh? Satellite, you know. Satellite, the man, that you know.
Satellite beach. Gilbert Pass, I want to.
Man, skill, man, I lie. You know what are they we call that Arizona?
Yeah.
Arizona thing that in as well, you know. Yo, the man skill. The man skill. Hello, Shanette.
Hello. Long time no see.
Long time. How is daddy?
He's okay.
Where is he?
He's coming.
He's coming. How's school?
School is good.
Oh, go on. You sleeping?
No, me just a
Oh, yeah, wash.
Yeah.
Oh. Hello, Ben.
Hello.
It's been a while.
High five.
High five. How is everything?
Everything is good.
Everything is good.
Yeah.
Oh, are you at the laundry?
Your laundry.
Are you daddy?
Daddy.
Daddy, I do it.
Yeah.
It's been like squeeze our skin. Yes, father for the year.
Yeah.
They have, I like your antenna. Your satellite dish. Are you make it?
I just called
Yeah,
him.
we got creative. We don't want to do something.
Yeah.
Why I buy things?
Oh, you mean all of your skill?
Yeah, I know why I buy it. You know, on the internet you see it and everything.
Oh, you see it on the media and you tried. Work?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. You have to work. To work.
Yeah? Yeah, man.
Oh,
I'm not curious still.
okay. Hello. Cheers. That's something for you too, okay? Alright. So for the video, I'm there roll through my new thing, man, otherwise kind of a donation for you as well too. So I hope you pray for that one if I come through.
I said, girl, anytime 17, I know what's about God and God did it.
Yeah.
If I put the thing, I said, it comes to the same.
Yeah.
Whoever send it, the map made and the mask to the same.
Of course. I appreciate it.
I appreciate them. You know? Yeah.
Alright. Of course. Yeah, man. Yeah. And this is coming from Iron Mike as well. We're not talking about Iron Mike Tyson, you know. His name Iron Mike. But theme teeth are the iron, you know. So I call them Iron Teeth Mike.
Iron Teeth.
Iron Teeth Mike. Right, so how is school? Stressing? She putting on weight, you know, you're eating up all the food. She getting big, man.
Focus, you know?
Yeah.
That's how you charge the food.
Our apartment, when was it?
At 11th of the month, I'm going the next week Monday.
Oh, 11th of this month?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's give thanks something coming that we can. You see me?
Oh, so you have to pay?
No, not really still for children. I use it, I pay for UCs. University.
Oh.
I look at things that I pay.
Okay.
For children, no, you don't pay nothing.
You don't pay nothing. So which part you go? Children you bring her?
Yeah, I bring her children.
Okay.
Yeah, I use the appointment down in the area. I call in
July, oh. So this is the one where she can do the operation?
Yeah, I want to show do the operation. So go check out on her appointment. I said the platinum up in her blood.
Yeah. But you get this.
Once the platinum done already, I'm going to go temple. Put a start. Yeah, give me medicine. Give me until I tell me to buy fruits and them things. But yeah, the fruits and them things, but the medicine cheap. I'm here for crying gas. For that she does too.
Probably drop out her bag.
So I have a baking soda. So she don't like that one.
Yeah, like it. Watch her face. You don't like that one at all. She not gonna like that. She not gonna like that because the baking soda got a taste for she's supposed to drink the baking soda too?
Yeah, man. Boil it, get warm, put in warm water.
And boil it?
Yeah. I boil the water in the cold.
Yeah.
Straight in it. I'm putting that water like a carton.
Yeah. Oh.
Do it already. Tell them say, and the warm water, boil the water in cold. Straight.
So them suggest she could drink that as well?
You can get a pop different. Get the liquid, you get a pop in time.
Oh.
Do it after.
But you have to drink it though, Shanette.
Of course I have to drink it. I'm buy sweetie.
You should eat it after.
Yeah. Something sweet after.
Shanette, you know you have to drink it. I know you don't like the taste of it, but you have to drink it because it will help. You don't like the taste, don't you? what it tastes like?
Tastes like fabulous and fabs.
Tastes like Fabso.
And bleach together.
No, it's not a good taste, but you have to drink it though.
I flush our kidney, them say.
Oh, it flush our kidney?
Kidney and the liver.
Oh, okay.
The medication that she takes, she take the medication in four times. She take 4 times a day. 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening. They say that now, 3 times she take that.
Okay.
Liquid something like that.
So she will do this every day?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Every day. The medication and the process.
Well, like them at work, she looking real healthy. You know?
But I can't get them, I forgot UC to buy.
To buy.
I couldn't get it. No, I can't get the pill, I look at the UC. And tablet, I shall take that tablet.
Shall take it? Yeah. So I'm say the storm's so gone, storm's so clear. You know, it's on that process now where everything is.
Hopefully the year still it can.
Hopefully this year, man. This year everything will blow off. This is the final stage for everything, you know? The last one. Right, Ven?
Yeah.
The last stage right now. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, she stopped go school? Yeah. Stop go school, right? Okay. So she home now. You doing housework?
Yeah.
You wash? You can cook?
Cook.
She cook?
Not really,
Okay. Not yet. Alright, so far. No, it have for dear. I for watch.
No, I want to guess for you.
Yeah. So here we have $10,000 here for you from Iron Mike from New York. Iron Mike from New York.
Yeah, bless and I respect Iron Mike from New York. You see? Boy, I tell you, boy, as I say, somebody out there in the man, same way. You see me? Love that. You see? So, blessed, respect, one love, same way. You see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Iron Mike. Hey, Shanette, you want to thank Iron Mike for blessing your daddy?
Thank you, Iron Mike. I support that a long time. I appreciate that so much, and I want you to shine as bright as the sunlight.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You want to thank Iron Mike?
Thank you, Iron Mike. God bless you. You do everything every day.
Yeah.
Cook. That is to cook. I wash plate them.
Yeah.
I cook them. I pack them.
Okay. That's good. High five. Hey, well done, Ven. Ven is doing good, guys. You know. So we give thanks, Iron Mike. Thank you so much. You know, I'm gonna say this is Ven, also father for your daughter. You know, I'm gonna say, yeah, she's not 100, but she's good. Yeah. So I don't know what's the name of it, you know, but she's like she have a brain of like a 2-year-old. So mental something she got, right? But make her brain like she's 2-year-old right now, right? And she's what, 20? 23. She's 23 going to be 24, you know, and her brain is like a 2-year-old.
Mental interactive.
Oh, she's mental interactive. Okay, the mental interactive.
She can't reason like a normal person.
Yeah.
I got session. One time a day. I hold up a place to go there. I don't tell you. Hold it. I never know this thing I come on like sudden from the tree.
Yeah.
I made a fellow know say, I made a stop the certain things. And focus on the sheet. I was trying to go one place in family life ministry for to one psychiatrist. First I was and it's church thing, no, pay no result and all them things. It come like I just the money them do want. Yeah, so I got pay to me start trying one of the psychiatrists for children, but them in this band.
Oh.
So I just get where I go to the school of 4. Yeah, I just she just I go from 7 years old.
Okay. And she
from 6, I find out that
she have that problem.
Yeah, when she turn over in early age school.
Oh, you realize it now?
Yeah. From them time we have to cope with that. Indeed.
Yeah. Alright then, man. Yeah, continue to cope, say me, continue to do the right thing, give thanks, you know?
Father bless me certainly, you know, because I see people that see me and
reach
see
out,
me need and reach out to me same way, you see?
Yeah.
Respect that, you see me? As I say, Iron Mike, I respect where you're going. One love, you see? As the Bob Marley that say, you see? Straight across the board, you see? Yeah.
So you still drinking something for your hand? I'm still
dry.
That's why I'm saying it.
Everything dry.
Alright then.
Yeah.
Alright then, Father for you. Go on to the right thing, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, Ben, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
On the right track, guys.
Yeah.
Let me say, I don't see some other between me and them.
Yeah, you don't go nowhere at all.
I'm not too deal with people.
Yeah.
Now we focus on them, you see? Yeah.
Alright then. Alright, Shanette.
Alright.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yes. Hello, cheers. Race Classic. Shire Road. I have $500 for you, but yeah, but this is $1,000. Go and change. You use your $500 already?
Yes.
Already? How will you buy? You use your 500 already? Really? As when you get it, you no go done. Baja, you have 2 500? Who have 2 500?
Me.
You don't have 2. You already spend half yours.
Okay.
So classic forget one now.
You give Daniela?
Yeah.
You give Catalia?
Yeah, I'm seeing her a while ago.
You give Grapey?
Oh, I don't see Grapey yet.
You give Jersey?
Alright.
Jersey don't you?
Yeah, she doing right. Here. So that's from Iron Mike from New York.
Thank you, Iron Mike from New York.
May God bless you.
May God bless you.
And have a wonderful day.
And have a wonderful day.
Alright then. Alright guys, so big thanks. So we have one for Classic and Miss Grapey. You know, and I eat that. Oh, Bob Marley! Well,
They say you know, so then can restore this, but bring it down, take the design, lick it down and build it back.
and build it back down.
In a black. Restore.
But the amount of store we hear what happened to this house here. And no, we can't sit up.
Money grant for doing together.
I'm gonna get grant for this?
Yes, money grant.
Plan, hey. Plan, set the whole here. So. I watch it out one day, you do some little out of a culture yard. I will put the plan. You know, and then care for the plan to give them. What the plan they come up with something of them. So we plan now. Okay? Watch it out, Crystal for the plan. It's over the plan, the man Kevin for the plan, your own box. Like a man hide thief a back like orange juice.
Yeah.
Hide in the box of the plan and about 3 more plan there. And your boss and drill over in there. Hey, you talk about pay my gas to come up out there. Hey. That pay about the Crystal.
Yeah, them both them hide the plan. Yeah man, for yourself hide the plan them now. Yeah.
Somebody had it.
That's mad. How the plan them man, thief a back like this, hide it there.
It's come like a dream team I do it, Baja.
Chain out in there. But no, long it's in there for the car. I don't know, members and you.
Dream team I do it, Baja.
Different from the people that we have fixed.
Oh, prefect. Be the other one as well to the Fiona from what day to 2,000 here. From who again? Oh, from Mario from California. So everybody get 2,000. Say you're 2,000. From Mario from California.
Mario from California. Enough love and enough respect. Thank you very much. Bless up yourself. One love.
Yeah. Alright, so that conclude Trenchtown, all look up a dream team right now.
Yeah man.
You know? So trust me, all look up. Yeah.
Stroke up for the team.
Wait no man. So we get
really boss.
So we get big in the music. So we get big in the music now, you know say anything we make help out the community. You know. Watch when we get the big in the music. The guys with the music out, you know, please go and support it. You know, go and buy the track. You know, please to support when time we're telling it's time. So yeah, so please remember whenever it's out, you know, please to go and support, you know, guys. Remember, I already have a vision, you know, when the music take off that direction, I'm going to be the one seeing me to the helping of my community, you know. This is my birthplace, you know. This is my home, you know, Trenchtown. So I'm not going to be here forever. So let's help as much as we can help before we leave, you know. Trust me. So that is it. Going through the trenches, no sir. Hey. I tell you, if me so slim. Yes, sir. No, next one. Which one? Mine is in cut to the next side. Hunter. The weedy hard man, right next to weedy. You know, Hunter is a fixed TV man. Now weedy hard.
That's it. Nice question. Nah, I get no steer.
Call Daniela. Daniela. Daniela.
Alright guys, so I thought the video never ended because Classic just arrived, you know, to get her $500 from Iron Mike. Iron Mike? Iron Mike. Yes, Iron Mike. Classic. It's a classic. What are you drinking? Bag juice, suck. Okay. Here's your $500 from Iron Mike from Queens, New York. So thank you.
Thank you.
Iron Mike
Iron Mike
from Queens, New York.
from Queens, New York.
Yeah. And anything else you want to say? Say, may God bless you.
May God bless you. I live a wonderful life.
Yeah. Alright. Thank you. High five. So that is from Iron Mike from Queens, New York. So Iron Mike, thank you so much, you know, for blessing the wonderful people that's needed of the support. You know, thank you so much, Iron Mike, for blessing each and every one. Thank you so much, I don't know where things go. That was a run and more, you know, as you can see the wall connect and everything. So yeah. Iron Mike, big up yourself, man. One love every time. Peace.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.